friends, and welcome to this channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to make an app that prints a web page. So let's say we are printing a web page on our web view. Let's say we're printing a web page on our web view. I want to print this web page. Let's say we want to print this web page. Sorry about that. I didn't do backlisting. So if we want to print this web page, since this is not really flexible, so if you want to print this web page, just click on this button. It prints just like what we print from our Chrome browser. You can see the page. You can print each of them or print all of them. You can select how many you want. Let's say you want to just print 5, so you can print it. You can even select the location on your device to print it. So I will show us, because in this tutorial now it's going to replace this my document. I'll show us on how to change the name of the saving. Let's do this in Sketchware. So when we create our Sketchware app, I remove my toolbar. So you can configure the way you like. This is my linear H with the background as black. This project file rather, the project source code is available in our Telegram channel. So the background color black, the text color white, with the text as WebView print. So I added an image. You can add image from our my collections, import image. If you want the color to be white, there are many ways to do that, but the easier way is to select the option white. Can even change the color to blue. So this is that. So I added a web view to load the URL as we normally would do. Then I'm going to add the save button because we don't want to save an empty web page. And also we're going to add the listeners for WebView. Sorry, we'll go to our view, add the listeners for WebView. On page finished, we can display our page button, save page button. So now let's add this import statement, number one. Then number two, we come to our more block and ensure this print more block is available. Print the boolean view web view. Let me name it web view. Then I save it as web view. I want to save it, just looking spacious in mind, maybe just mark of the font. Okay, so let me add a string variable. We're going to name our string file name because this is what we used to name the file. A custom file name, and let's add the more block. Then our more block, we add this code. This code is what we will need. We're going to make small changes. So here I'm adding underscore. We're adding underscore. And then this my document to change it to underscore file name, which is the name of the variable. But then when you create a variable through Sketchware in a more block, Sketchware adds underscore. I'll show us this underscore file name. So we're adding the file name without extension. So this is a model. Let's just check source code for more clarity so you understand what you're doing, not just doing what you're being told to do. So you can see it underscore file name. So I made a character uppercase to the name instead of small letter. Thank God for I briefly checked it. Okay. So when the save button is clicked, just like we saw in the app, we save the button. Then you can name this thing web page. You can name it anything yourself. Web page name depends on you, but don't add the extension. So that is all for this tutorial. Please support me, promote me, share me, announce me to others who need to learn. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and like. You can also support me. There is a link to my coffee buying on the video description. Please do it to support this channel for more free tutorials and projects.